Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your team names in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. At the top of your team page, you will see your current team name and logo. Tap on the team name to start editing. Now tap on Edit My Team. To change your team name, tap on the blue circle with pencil icon. A text box will appear where you can type your new team's name. Go ahead and enter whatever name you want. You can get creative. Once you type it, make sure to tap Save or Done so your new name is applied. After saving, you will see your updated team's name at the top of your team page. Other league member will now see your new name in the standing and matchup. And that's it. You have successfully changed your team name in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.